Hello, students. My name is Casey Nguyen. I am a CIS instructor at Moreno Valley College. I'd like to invite you to take CIS 7 in the spring 2022. This is a discrete structure course in which we will cover mathematical concept and programming. So we will program the math concept that we learn. This is an important course in computer science and computer programming. So if you're interested to sign up for a CIS course, please sign up for CIS 7 and the section number is 22554. This class is an online only course. No Zoom meeting is required. I will provide recorded videos and instructions for you to follow, so you will be able to get through the course successfully and be able to proceed in your computer science track. So sign up for the course. I look forward to have you in class. See you soon.